Hi everyone, this is Ecuboot, and today we're working on this BMW 325i. The customer complaint is when it's cold start, the engine is a little bit shaking, but there's nothing on the dashboard. And so first, let's confirm the problems. As you can see, our engine is a little bit shaking, so I can say that our problem is confirmed. With this particular symptom, we must do a quick scan on ISTA to see the DTC. So it's clearly to see that we're having misfire at cylinder 2 and 6, but when I do another scan, it's appearing on cylinder 4 and 5. Now, I'm gonna say that we're having random misfires while the engine is cold started. Then, we're gonna take a look at some live data on this engine, especially the smooth running. As you can see, our values is uneven on each individual cylinder, resulting the vibration of our engines. And according to live data, the cylinder 4 is significantly higher than others. Now, let's fix our problems by checking the spark plug first. You can see that our sparking plug points are black, which indicates we're having an overall fuel control problems. For your information, when your spark plug is black, that's when you're having a rich mixture. When it's white, that means it's lack of fuel, and when it's a little bit decolorations and the electrode is worn evenly, that is normal. So moving on, by using the fuel injector tester, we're gonna measure the amount of fuel to see what's happening. As you can see, the amount of fuel in each cylinder is noticeably different. This leads to the smooth running values are not even. After some injectors replacement, as you can see, the live data is stabilizing. At this point, we can assume that our problem has been solved. In conclusions, the vibration of our engines while cold start is resulted by a deviation of fuel coming out of our injectors. After diagnosing, we have had our car fixed by replacing some injectors. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful.